Be honest. When was the last time you were just bored? No phone, no music, no scrolling, just you and your mind? If you're like most people, probably never. And that, well, is a big problem. You've been rewired and you don't even know it. This isn't your fault. The modern world is engineered to hijack your attention. But if you don't take it back, you'll never do anything truly meaningful. Today, we unlock one of the toughest but most powerful rules from deep work: embrace boredom. It sounds simple, but it's the very thing keeping you from unlocking serious mental clarity and productivity. Distraction has become your default state. You jump between apps, open 10 tabs, watch YouTube while on calls, checking texts mid conversation. Your mind is now allergic to silence. You crave stimulation, like sugar. This means even if you want to do deep work, even if you try to focus, your brain panics. Your mind literally can't sit still. And unless you fix this, no productivity system in the world will help you. And the cure is to retrain your mind through boredom. And it's where your focus begins to rebuild. Boredom is not your enemy, it's your mental gym. When you resist grabbing your phone, when you let your mind wander instead of filling it, you're doing the hard reps of mental strength. You're reteaching your brain how to sit, how to think, how to focus again. You're building mental endurance. This is how elite thinkers train. This is where clarity lives. Think of focus like a muscle. If all you do is give in to quick hits of dopamine, your attention span shrinks. But if you start embracing stillness, resisting distraction, your brain becomes sharper, calmer, more focused. So how do you actually train this? Step 1. Schedule boredom. Every day, even just 10 to 15 minutes. Sit with no input, no screen, no noise. Just be. Step 2. Resist the just check impulse. Next time you're in line, in a lift, or waiting, don't pull out your phone, let yourself be bored. Step 3. Practice focus rituals. Create fixed times to do deep work. When distractions pop up, gently return to the task. This builds control. Start small. Same place, same time. One task, no escape. Your goal isn't to eliminate boredom. Your goal is to be comfortable with it, because that's where focus begins. This isn't easy, but if you want an edge in a world that can't focus for 10 seconds, this is your superpower. This is where the transformation begins, and your future self is waiting on the other side of it. Start with 10 minutes a day. It might feel weird at first, but over time, your brain will thank you. You'll get more done and feel better doing it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment if you think this is helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights from deep work and how to sharpen your mind in a distracted world.